guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids and I have Brianna with me today and we want to show you how to do a starburst braid. So let me spin you around. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. Starting from the crown, make a part line going in the shape of a circle, and I will tie that section of the hair up with an elastic and the outer strands are staying loose. Fall in your sight. Your new eyes. Now at the front, I'm parting my hair on the side so it's not a part line straight down the middle. And now pick up a small section of the hair, brush it out, and we will split it to 3 equal strands. Now put your right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle, right strand. Pick up a small section of the hair from the ponytail, add it to that strand, and cross it over the middle. Left strand, pick up the hair, add it to that strand, and cross it over the middle. Right strand, pick up the section of the hair from the ponytail, and together cross it over the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to your strand, and cross it over the middle. So on the left side we will be adding hair going around, and on the right side we are only adding strands from the ponytail. So add the strand from the ponytail to your right strand and cross it over the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, and cross it over the middle. And I'm just going around, picking up the hair on both sides. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move on, I need to be strong, but I don't wanna go, no, 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 no. I don't wanna go alone. No, I don't wanna go alone. Honey, won't you come on back to me, baby? We could even try and go real slow. You know I want you back, I'm lost. Once I reach the back, I'm continue doing the same steps on the left side, picking up the hair, adding it to the left strand and cross it over the middle, and on the right strand still pick up little strands from the ponytail, add it to that strand and cross it over the middle, and continue until you've picked up all the hair. Once I've picked up all the hair from both sides, I will continue making a regular French braid. Cross your left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, and continue braiding until you reach the end of the braid and secure it with an elastic. The way that you talk to me, the way that you. Now to hide the braid, I will thread the end of the braid through our bun. So make a simple loop and catch the end of the braid and pull it through. So now the braid is on the inside of the bun, and I will just go through our little sections and reach the braid from the inside. and pull it around until you can't see it anymore. And I will secure it with the bobby pins to make sure that the end of the braid will not slide out.
I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Alright, let's give it a final spin. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. As usual, all the products that we used in this video I will link down in the description box below, and we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!
Put you in that spotlight.